Hello everyone. This video series will be focusing on Docker actually. Okay. So first in this video, let's see how to install Docker, and we will try to set up a Docker Hub account. So to first install Docker, all you need to do is just type Docker desktop in your browser, and you should go to the first result. Anyway, I will be providing you the link for this below. So as we are going to install it in Windows, we should be selecting this. Similarly, we have a version for Mac and Linux as well. So I'll go ahead and I'll just click this, but I'm going to cancel this because I already have this file install downloaded. So we'll be using that. Okay. And so I will just go to the Docker installation file. Okay. And it's a straightforward installation, but I just want to start it so that the beginners also understand the process. Okay. Uh, so when the package gets so you have an option like install the Windows component for WSL2. So the WSL2 is an important component which stands for Windows subsystem for Linux actually. So that is used to make Docker run, so we have to install that. So I'll just go ahead and click OK. So let this unpack and deploy the components separately. So meanwhile, we will also see how to get a Docker Hub account created. So for that, you need to just go for hub.docker.com. Okay, and the sign up steps are very straightforward. So you can choose your own Docker ID. If it is available, it would be assigned to you. So mine is actually Karthik Selvaraj. Okay. So you need to provide a valid email ID and you can have a password set. And you just need to ensure that you have like pass the captcha check. Okay. And you just need to sign up and you will be getting an email which you need to verify. So all these steps will not take more than two minutes actually. So it's pretty straightforward. So as I have an account already, I'll just skip and I'll try to sign in directly. Okay. So I'll log into my account. Okay. So now you can see here like you have got the images, the official images from most of the major tech companies over here. So Ubuntu, you can see that Ubuntu and Postpac has more than 10 million downloads of their images. So in the next video, we will actually have an image pull, and we will be installing it through Docker actually, as in a container actually. Okay. So let me go back to the installation. So the installation is also done. So I'll just close this. Okay. Now I should be having a Docker desktop icon over here. So I'll just double click it. Okay. So now you can see that uh, it's now installed using a separate package, but it asks me to follow the installation step which is available in this particular link actually. So I will just go to this link. Okay. And it says to download a kernel package for x64 machine. So I have already downloaded this package, so I will just be using this package to install the Windows subsystem for Linux update. It's done. So post this, I will just click on this restart. Okay. So now you can see that backend is starting. Okay, and you can see a whale symbol over here, which is the Docker is starting, or Docker desktop is starting actually. Okay, okay. So it is starting. You can see, and now you can see that it is running actually. So the installation is successful now. Okay, so I have already if you go over here, actually if you are going to do the sign in for the first time, then you would be prompted to do that actually. So as I have already did it, it was not asking me. So you just need to go sign in, and you have to just sign in to your account. So so that it uses this ID to get or pull the images from the Docker Hub. Okay, so all looks cool. So in the next tutorial, we will actually pull an image and we'll see how to do the containerization of that. Thank you so much.